So I saw this new subscription service called Danklo, and I guess that's how you say it. And one of their things is they cater to your interest, but also they give away money in their boxes, a random amount between $1 and $1,000. So I figured I'd give them a try. It's like playing the lotto every month, but you get some cool stuff. So I checked off some of my interests, I guess, like cooking, food, technology, and whatnot. Let's see, this box is tough to open. Alright. Oh, look at that. They wrote my name on there, personalized, and I already see a couple bucks in here. $2. Brand new bills. Let's see. Now with random cash amounts in every box. Oh, it shows what's in here. So, let's look at this. 2-stage knife sharpener. I could use one of those. I'm guessing this is it. Let me open that up real quick. There we go. That's something that's pretty useful. Definitely going to use that. Sink Caddy. Guess it holds sponges or something. I don't know what that is. Something rubbery. Let's look in here real quick. Sink Caddy is your sink's new best friend. The caddy straddles either side of your sink divider and provides 2 nice spaces to hold sponges, rags, or any other small sink tools. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's what that thing is. It's a garlic peeler. Place a whole clove inside and roll them back and forth. Watch the skin magically peel away. That's really neat. And the last thing that's in the box is a caffeinated smart cookie. I'm going to save that for work. Although it looks really good, I want to eat it right now. So yeah, not too bad. I paid, I think, $20 it was for their Prime subscription. And unlike other subscription services, when you're on their upper tier Prime, you can actually return any of your items back. And I thought that was really neat. So I figured I couldn't go wrong with that. And got a lot of really useful stuff. So I guess they catered to my cooking this month and maybe treats. And so I think I pretty much got my money's worth for this month. Thank you.